we got the mill set up here to bore these applied triple clamps. These are for AH 2-stroke. He's on the quest to build the lightest CR500. So we're going to bore these clamps and get some footage for you. Almost all the way through with the first rough and pass. There's not a whole lot to be taken off these for the bottom part of the fork. This is the lower clamp. It's looking good. Alright, let's see if we can do this one-handed here. Some digital calipers. .298. That's 32 thousandths more to go. Our number is 2.33, so these are really close. So let's see if we can dial it in here. Those are in half divisions. So that's 5. That's 10. 15. And we'll go to 20. That's 20 total. That should leave us another 12 for a finished pass. Moving along. All right, let's get our final measurement here. Just rubbing, right on the money. Look at that, boom. 5 thousandths over the 25 mark, 2.33. Hit the nail on the head. Just for reference, my calipers get the same dimension. So we know we're on the money on that one. So that's it. I'm going to get the top clamp done, but shared a little bit of boring of the clamps with you. I know I've shared it on the channel before, but it's just pretty common shop work that comes through. So hope you guys enjoyed the video.